Everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation. I'm recording this one in the evening. And we have some Juvia's place on the other video the other day where I was showing that and whoops, wrong box. Wrong box. So we're going to open up Juvia's place. Like I said before, they go live. Their people go live to sell the products. Company themselves, they go live. Their affiliates go live. And that's something also that Jeffree Star Cosmetics and Curse Cosmetics and Gerard Cosmetics sometimes does. I have to catch theirs more often. Now, some of this is for me. Some of this is not. But some of this is for me. A lot of it might be, but it's a good thing my son got me an organizer to reorganize my shit, right? So the first thing out of the box is this makeup brush. I have a foundation brush that is getting disgusting no matter how much I clean it. It's starting to smell funky. And I clean it and clean it and clean it, and it still smells kind of gross. Even though I do let it dry, it's still smelling kind of funkified. That's when you know it's time to get rid of it. This is a powder bronzing brush. I think this is beautiful. At the time that I got this was a really good bargain. I would tell you on here how much, but oh wait, do I have two of these? What? Do I have two of these? Oh, I think I accidentally do. Oh. Well, I have two of these by accident. Whoops. So we'll open up the one that I'll keep. Whoops. Yeah, whatever. I'm keeping this one. I'll swatch it for you. I don't mind some Juvia's, but make sure that this isn't the same as the one that I have over here. Y'all, I gotta reorganize my makeup. I'm becoming like other people on YouTube that have so much shit. You got to reorganize. Oh no. I think it's just, yeah, it's lighter than that one. So I'll swatch this one and I'll swatch this, the one I've had for a little while. Right, I'm trying to get the box not to fall. I don't really have a lot of room at the moment. Gotta clean up from all my other unboxing. Oh, and that on the back of my hand is from swatching. Now, this had been out in the cold for a bit, you know, the packages, except for this. This is the Egyptian, like, Nubian Glow. So, this is Egyptian Glow. I've had this one for, like, maybe a few weeks. Beautiful. Look how beautiful that is. Now I have to get me a makeup wipe. Good thing I have some right here. Oh my goodness. So let's kind of clean that up a bit. Make it look like a swatch, a squared off swatch, because yeah. And then we'll open this one. Ooh, that's a beautiful color. Now this one had been out in the cold for a while. This is the one I'm talking about. So I had to let, oh my gosh. Wow. Just wow. This one here, y'all, I know I haven't done my nails yet. That That's beautiful. It's this one here as a reminder. That's just beautiful. I don't have a code for them, but I know somewhere out there someone might. Wow. Oh, I wonder how this would look kind of blended together. Oh, geez, that's even prettier. That's like if you want like that glowy, dewy look, kind of bronzy, but oh my gosh. Yes, thank you. And then there's this. I'm trying to find my invoice from this one in the box. I'll show those in a minute. Anyway, then there's this. I think I got that free. Because they were offering up some freebies during the live stream, and I think this might be one of the freebies. Like if you purchased at a specific time, you got something free. And I really wanted to try their cream bronzer. Sorry, cream bronzer. And wow, that's beautiful. So I know we got the bronzer brush. Well, I just want to see how this feels. Ooh, that is like putting your hand in butter. That's pretty. That'll blend. That'll blend nice. Like a very light, in person, to me it's a light tan. So that's beautiful. Absolutely. Like I said, I think this was one of my freebies. I can definitely use those. Because if I didn't, I would have sent it to a friend or something. But yeah, right? Eh. I'll figure the lid out later. It's fine. Okay, and then we have these. This is a lippy, and this is a lippy. I have a lippy similar to this. So, yeah, I do. I have one similar to this. I'm going to set this one over here, because that'll go with something else. And then I have this lippy here. This is the Chocomillo. Yeah, it's a lip gloss. Pretty too. I love chocolate colors. I don't know if anybody else out there does. I'm sure there's plenty of people out there that do. I have so many lip glosses open. I'm not sure I want to open this one yet. We'll figure that out. Anyway, so to recap, we got this. We got this. This is beautiful. We got two of this. We got this, which I will figure out that lid. Because it came that way. I don't know. Sometimes in shipping, things get a little warped in the mail, especially since it's been cold out. Okay, I finally got that lid back on it. So yeah, there's the bronzer, which I could use a brush. I already showed that. And here's the spare one. And then there's this. I don't know. Do I want to try to keep this one? Mocha Chino. I don't know. I don't I love a good dark chocolate color. Anyway, and I also got this brush. Beautiful brush. Love their brushes. I figured that out. Oh, that's not all silly. Silly me. I'm messing with you. And then I got 2 of these on purpose. So, if you know, like I keep saying, if you know, you know. There's 900 reasons to try to get to something, then you know. So that go there. This one will be mine. That's why I'm handling this a specific way. So I have, like I said, I have 2. And when I saw this, it's got the little color saver. I don't have any other palettes that has these shades here. Or I'm thinking this one's close. This one's close to something in the coffee shop palette. So yes, we will be swatching. Also another good reason to have that blue. Camera does not do it justice. Look at that. Is that blue a color? That blue is a color shift. It's got like a hue of purple. I don't know if you can tell. Anyway, oh my goodness. Wasn't expecting. This is the Early 3 palette. Then we're going to swatch these 3. I've been having people ask me why don't I sell on Instagram, or not Instagram, on TikTok. I just don't. Look at that. Those are beautiful. You could do a smoky look with this because of this shade here. You can do an everyday look out of this palette. I'm gonna say this one right here, this palette, you could, with your skin tone, most people can use this. You can also use other shades with it. I think this is beautiful. Thank you, Juvia's place, for having just like, I don't remember if they don't have the mirror. Okay, because we have enough things with mirrors. I have to say, this is beautiful. This definitely I'm going to say, that's kind of a beachy kind of vibe to it. Know what I mean? That's kind of a beachy vibe. So it's kind of, but don't be afraid to use any of the eyeshadows that you currently have. Even if you think it's a winter palette, you can use that during the spring and the summer. Oh, absolutely. Oh, my skin is thanking me for taking that off of there. Yeah, don't be afraid to use your makeup any time of the year, because that might make a big difference in how much stuff you let sit and waste, opposed to how much stuff you literally reach for. And when you have a variety of things that, oh, this might be my vibe for the day, or something else might be your vibe of the day, other things that you have might be your vibe of the day. Or, think about this, you can blend your different eyeshadow from different brands, put those together, and you've seen me do this, is put it together and make a beautiful look any time of the year with any of your palettes. I know a lot of us out here have had palettes and then we're like, oh no, that's specifically for this season or it's for that season. No, it's for all year round. It is, it's for all year round. Don't hesitate to make your beauty happen. And grab, like I said, these ones that, oh, the price, I believe this was $4 and something cents for this one, I believe. So, like, if you all miss out on the bargains on TikTok shop, go check them out. I'm not sure if they go live on Instagram. You might want to check that out if they do. All I know is they have wonderful people, just like Jeffree Star Cosmetics has wonderful people, Gerard Cosmetics, Cursed Cosmetics. They have wonderful people to make sure that you know about their products, whether it be cruelty-free, which this one, I don't see that, but it does tell you the rest of the info on. Oh, it is cruelty-free. I'm sorry. I didn't realize that was the bunny. I'm looking at it in the viewfinder. But yeah, if you're into the brands that are cruelty-free and that you can literally recycle the containers, there's nothing wrong with that, especially if you can get it on a bargain. But remember, just stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I have some more unboxings to do for the week. And I'll see you in the next one, quite literally. Bye.